moment momentum. Today we will study momentum. Before going to second law of motion, first we know what is momentum. Momentum is the complete magnitude of velocity of a moving body. Complete magnitude means the product of mass and velocity. Momentum can be obtained by the product of mass and velocity of a body. Let the velocity, let m be the mass of a body, and it is moving with velocity v. Mass of the body is m and velocity of the body is v. Then its momentum p is equal to m into v. Mass into velocity. Thus p is equal to m mv. If you want to calculate the momentum of a moving body, you can multiply the mass with its velocity. If the body is a stationary, means velocity is 0, then momentum is 0. If there is no body, means no momentum. Anyone will be 0, then the momentum will be 0. Keep in mind, mass of a body cannot be 0. Mass of a body cannot be 0. Thus, if we take m is equal to constant, then p proportional to v. It means if the where m is constant, we know that mass of a body cannot be changed whether it is brought in the space, at the center of the earth, on the surface of the sea, in the desert, on the mountain, anywhere. But mass cannot be changed. It always remain the same. Thus, the momentum depend for any particular body. Momentum depend on its speed. If the speed will increase, momentum will increase. If the speed is decrease, the momentum will decrease. SI unit of momentum means a unit of mass into unit of velocity. Unit of mass, we know that it is kg, kilogram, and unit of moment velocity, meter per second. Thus the unit of momentum will be kg meter per second or kg meter per second. Thus the SI unit of momentum is kilogram meter per second or kg meter per second. Now we will study Newton's second law of motion in next video.